Wow, recent renovation looks great. New granite, throughout the kitchen, in all baths and surrounding the fireplace, all new light fixtures, new plumbing fixtures including new kitchen and all bathroom faucets, cabinet and door hardware, fresh paint, recent landscape work and so much more. This home also boasts 2 washer and dryer connections, one up and one down. The owners have gone through this home with a fine-tooth comb and invested over $20,000 to get this home ready for you. Don't wait, look and offer today.